Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to use reminders on iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to use reminders on iPhone. It is because you want to run the reminder so that whenever something important is upcoming, so it will remind you before the time, so you will make mind according to it or whatever the reason it could be. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could use the reminders on iPhone. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So the reminder app is pre-installed in every mobile phone. It is the default app which is available in every iPhone. So your iPhone must have it. There is no case that your mobile doesn't have it. But if you couldn't find it, just go to search and search for reminders and there you will see that app. So this is the icon of the reminders. This is how the reminder looks. It also has written reminders under it. So it comes pre-installed or you could say defaultly installed in every iPhone. You just have to look for and once you find it, just simply click on it and the app will open. Once the app gets open, this is the interface that you will see. On the top we have the search bar and under it we have 4 to 5 options. So this option is today. If you click on it, so you could mark all your events and important things for today. So for example, in the morning and in the afternoon and in the night, if you have something important which is upcoming, you can just write it and then this app will remind you about it. So for example, if I have something important today and I don't want to forget it, so I just type here like meeting with someone and whatever comes to your mind you can type it and it will get saved and it will keep reminding you about it. Other than that, we have this option which says schedule and all your scheduled stuff, meetings and the stuff will appear here and your all the reminders will come up here. If you have saved for today, for tomorrow, whatever, they will come up here. And here we have the flagged ones. The flagged ones are the important events or reminders for us, so we just mark them as flagged. So we will get to know that it is important for us, that's why they are flagged. So to flag any event or any reminder, first you have to create it. Like here I'm creating and after that I clicked on this icon which was along with it. The blue icon, once you click on this, you will see a lot of different options. From all these options, you have to select this one and it will be marked. After that, you have to save it and in the flagged, you will see that one. And if you have completed any of the tasks, it will come up into the completed ones. Here you can see these are the completed ones. So you will get to know that you have completed. After that, in the reminders, if you click on it, you could also create a list about all the important things that are upcoming for you. You just have to simply write for it and these things will be created. As here you can see I'm just typing few things that are important for me and these will be set as a reminder ones. You can also add new reminders and you can also create list for your important things. You can name them, you can change its color, you can add different kind of logo. So for example, I'm just creating a list for food. I write it food, I change its color, now I'm changing its icon and save it and there you can see it is appearing like that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use the reminders on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel and thank you for watching the video.